What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you're new to the channel, hi there. Today I want to talk about who the iPhone SE is for. But before I do begin, I just want to thank MKBHD and Viper, the man about tech, for this video. So about a week ago, Viper had asked MKBHD who the iPhone SE is for in a tweet, and MKBHD replied with a bunch of different variations of who it could be for. You'll notice in the video that the variations I talk about are also the same as MKBHD's reply, but I just elaborate a little more on the scenario. Okay, so we got that all set. Let's not waste any more time and dive right in. Number 1, it's an iPhone, period. For $400, you can enter the Apple ecosystem. And it's a good iPhone, good camera, fast performance. It's a phone that might not look like 2020 devices, and that's okay. You'll still see many people rocking something like an iPhone 7 or 8, and they're happy with that. Sure, having an awesome bezel-less display and 3 camera lenses is cool and all, but does the average consumer really need all of that? Not really. I've been using the iPhone SE for about 2 weeks now, and while I do miss something like an ultra-wide lens, I can get by with that one. Number 2, the old iPhone SE users. So the original iPhone SE came out in 2016 and it's now 4 years old. And original SE users have been holding on for a successor, and now it's here. Same price, same thought in mind, compromise over innovation. For anyone who's looking to upgrade to a not so larger smartphone, the 2020 iPhone SE is your safest bet. By the way, if you're enjoying the video so far, I'd really appreciate it if you can give this video a thumbs up and turn on the bell notifications, as it does help out the YouTube algorithm and pushes my content to more people. Number 3, iPhone 6, 6S, and iPhone 7 users. So this one is easy. It's essentially the same build, design, feel, but with newer internals and a better camera and some other small improvements like wireless charging and an IP67 rating. If you're looking for a phone with the same build, then this is the phone to go with. Oh, and if you go with this phone, at least you'll get a fresh new battery and you won't always have to carry a battery pack with you wherever you go. Number 4, first phone for a child. Okay, so the real question is, do you really want to spend more than $1,000 for your child's first phone? Even if it's not $1,000, $600, $700? I mean, you don't know how they're going to take care of this thing. I don't know. That expensive phone is going to do the same thing that this $400 iPhone SE 2020 will do. Make phone calls, texting, browsing the web, playing games. This phone is perfectly capable to do all of that, and since it's an iPhone, you'll be getting 4 to 5 years of software updates, so this should last for a pretty long time. Number 5, people who are looking for an all-around good $400 phone. So my full review is not up yet, as I am taking the time to fully understand and use this device. But I can say that this checks almost, if not all, the essentials for $400. Good camera? Check. Speedy and dependable performance? Check. Fast and wireless charging? Check. IP67 rating? Check. Good software? Check. Security with Touch ID? Check. Good battery? Check. Yeah. I don't use my iPhone like I would with my Android device. I use it for social media, the occasional YouTube videos, reading and replying to emails, texting friends, and my battery has gotten me throughout the entire day. This is a super good package for $400, and only Apple can pull this off, at least for design and build aspects. Number 6, people looking for a phone without all the latest and greatest. The average consumer doesn't need an OLED display with 120Hz or a triple camera setup. They need a phone that will make phone calls, message, browse the web, read emails, the typical things. The iPhone SE 2020 and that super expensive $1,000 phone with all the amazing great features both do the same thing. The way they go at it might be different, like screen size for example. But do you really need the latest and greatest? That's the question you have to ask yourself before buying a new phone. If you don't, then the 2020 iPhone SE is for you. And that pretty much wraps up this video. Once again, I'd like to thank Viper and MKBHD for the insight and providing information for this video. My review is in the works and I'm working hard to get that out soon. I've enjoyed this phone so far and it gets me to think which Android phone can directly compete with this. Well, I've got my eyes on the upcoming Pixel 4a and the rumored OnePlus Z. This is definitely going to change the way people see smartphones. Do you really need all the latest and greatest? Really think about that. Let me know your thoughts on the iPhone SE 2020 in the comments down below. Anyway, everybody, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, be sure to Superman that like button, comment down below, because with the more interactions we get on this video, not only helps the video and the channel, but also pushes the video out to more viewers. And best of all, Superman that subscribe button. Until next time, everybody, and until next video, this is MTG.